This video is going to talk about how to convert percents to fractions. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to look at the percent sign. There are some numbers hidden in that percent sign, and I'm going to show them to you. The first number we're going to talk about is the number 1. Number 1 is hidden in that percent sign. There it is. I'm going to outline it in red to make things easier. It's kind of hiding down here. I know it's a little bit light to see. But then we have, as well as that 1, we have 2 zeros. Now, this is going to help us, and I'll shade that in the other side so you guys can really get an idea of that. You can see that the percent sign is really made up of 3 numbers, a 1 and 2 zeros. That's important to note because percent means out of 100. Always does, always has, always will. So, when we talk about converting from percents to fractions, there's a very easy change that goes on there. 15% means 15 out of 100. So what we're going to do is we're going to erase that percent sign. We're going to write 15 over 100. Pretty simple. You do have to watch out, though, to make sure that your fraction is properly reduced. You can reduce this by the fractional 1, 5 over 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 15% means the same thing as 15 over 100, means the same thing as 3 over 20. Now, this works the same. It doesn't matter how many digits you have. So if you have 3%, that still means 3 out of 100. Not out of 10, it means out of 100. This is a different thing than the hot summer day. If we have, let's say, a bigger number, let's say 500%, well, that gets into something a little bit different. It still means 500 out of 100. But in this case, that's an improper fraction, so you're going to have to be careful to reduce that. We're going to divide this by 100 over 100. 500 divided by 100 is 5. 100 divided by 100 is 1. We have 5 over 1. 5 over 1 means the same thing as 5. You always have to watch out that your fractions are properly reduced and simplified.